Seal the lens surface with our unique clear coat lacquer, which has been specially formulated to replace the original discoloured cloudy top layer that will have been removed during the reconditioning process. Not to be confused with most other liquid solutions that wash off and need reapplying on a regular basis. Once applied, the E-Tech Restored Headlight Clear Coat produces a watertight seal and dries to a hard, long-lasting chip and UV-resistant finish. For purposes of filming, we removed the headlight from the car, but the following methods can be carried out with the headlight lens fitted to the vehicle. We have washed the headlight prior to removal. Mask off around the lens and surrounding bodywork with masking tape, newspaper or masking film to protect it whilst working on the lens. We are masking off part of the lens only to be able to show a clear before and after at the end of this video. Open the sachet provided inside the cap of the Restored Headlight Clear Coat and wipe one side over the lens to remove all traces of polish, fingerprints, etc. Shake can vigorously for 2 minutes. Hold the can 20 to 30 centimeters from the surface and spray using a smooth side-to-side motion. Apply thin, even layers, allowing 3 to 4 minutes drying time between each layer. Allow to dry fully for up to 4 hours before unmasking. Do not drive the car within this period and do not wash the car for 24 hours.